Today we're going to make a steakhouse dinner at home with roast beef and crispy potatoes for two. This is a simple but flavorful recipe, perfect for busy evenings. Potatoes: choose small potatoes, cut them into bite-sized pieces, then mix with vegetable oil, salt and black pepper. To save time, pre-cook the potatoes in the microwave for about 5 to 7 minutes until soft. Beef: choose a piece of beef about 1.5 inches thick. Marinate the meat with salt for 45 minutes to 24 hours to enhance the flavor. When cooking, place the meat in a cold pan, turn the stove on high heat and turn the meat every 2 minutes so that the meat is evenly cooked and crispy. Cook until the meat reaches the ideal temperature for medium rare, about 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit. Sauce to serve: make sauce from parsley, red onion, extra virgin olive oil, garlic and red wine vinegar. Blend all ingredients in a blender to create a delicious sauce. Ingredients: 1. For the potatoes, 12-ounce baby red potatoes, 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, a 1/4 teaspoon table salt, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper. 2. For the steak, 1 New York strip steak, 1.5 inches thick, 1 teaspoon kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper. 3. For the sauce, 1/2 cup parsley leaves, a 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons chopped red onion, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon water, 2 cloves garlic, 1/2 teaspoon table salt, 1/8 teaspoon red pepper flakes. Instructions: 1. Prepare the potatoes. Cut the baby red potatoes into 1-inch wedges. Toss the potatoes with vegetable oil, salt, and pepper. Microwave on high for 5 to 7 minutes until just tender. Drain and set aside. 2. Cook the steak. Pat the steak dry. Season with kosher salt, done ahead of time if possible, and black pepper. Place the steak in a cold non-stick skillet and turn the heat to high. Flip the steak every 2 minutes until it reaches 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, about 8 to 10 minutes. Remove from heat and let rest. 3. Crisp the potatoes. In the same skillet, add a bit more oil and fry the potatoes until golden and crispy, about 10 minutes. 4. Make the sauce. Blend parsley, olive oil, red onion, red wine vinegar, water, garlic, salt, and red pepper flakes in a food processor until smooth. 5. Serve. Slice the steak and serve with the crispy potatoes. Drizzle with parsley sauce over the steak for added flavor. Hope you enjoy this dish.